Someone please tell me that I look like I have turned 18 because I don't look like one. Still look like a 15 or 14-year-old kid. You're gonna see that in the video. Keep watching. Guess what, guys? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Don't guess. It is just 10 minutes left for me to turn 80. I'm actually also excited, but I'm actually not. Anyways, I am just excited to eat the freaking cake. It's gonna be that moment right now in 10 minutes. I'm gonna be 18. Bye. This is too much. Bye. And I don't know. Oh my god, this is the hazelnut cake which my brother and I wanted from so long because we love it, of course. So yeah, I was saying my mom, she has been planning something since like 4 days, like a week or 4-5 days, I don't know. And I am so like trying to get what she's actually doing, but I don't know what it is, which of course you'll see in the vlog. Anyways, bye. That's a lot of sound. I still can't believe I'm already 18, and here is my Burger King order. Burger King. I was waiting for this day for like the whole year so I could eat this burger, and now I'm gonna eat this too. And there's my aunt. So now we're gonna eat, and I'll see you guys once I eat. This is the biggest burger Burger King has, and I ordered it for me and my brother, haha. This has like a double patty, which is so much fat, but too fat. I'm gonna eat it. Best feeling ever.
Just I will say.
I'm gonna see you guys whenever I eat my next weekend meal because it's gonna be a full day of eating. So bye. I got so many wishes and promised myself I'm gonna eat everything, whole fats and carbs, because it's gonna be a fats and carbs day tomorrow. It's just like 2 a.m. right now. I had so much of fun with my family. This is the cutest thing my family did, like my family and friends did for me. My mom, as I said you guys, what was my mom actually preparing? She texted all of our friends and cousins whom we can't meet right now, send a video of them wishing us, like speaking and wishing us. So yeah, she said them, and then she like joined all the videos together, and of course my friends as well. And that was the cutest video ever. I was laughing the whole entire time. I'm eating some cake right now because, as I said, it's gonna be whole. Yeah, and this is literally the tastiest cake ever. I swear you all should seriously taste this. I'm gonna eat another cake tomorrow probably because there's more left. Whatever, while I'm talking, I'm just eagerly waiting to eat it. So let's just freaking eat it. Done. Saying that this pimple you see was not there 5 days ago, but guess what, they got to know that it's my freaking 18th birthday, so they just had to pop out from nowhere and show its freaking place on my face, and now they look so awful. But then I'm fine, and I'm just like talking so much, and it's already been a too long video. I don't want to extend it because tomorrow I'm gonna vlog, so you guys probably wanna keep watching and not watch me talking shit the whole freaking time. But I will keep watching. Tomorrow's gonna be a great day. I love you guys. Thank you for your wishes. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Hi. I look awful, and good morning. Whoa. But I am short as hell, and look at my freaking clothes. I feel like someone has hit me. Okay, bye you guys. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Also, I'm not gonna let you guys see me more, and I'm gonna brush my teeth, and I'm gonna see you after I do it. What the hell have I always have to do that transition? But I actually adore the transition, so I'm gonna do it. I am back fresh and ready for the day. It's like 8:30, 8:45, and I have a class at 9 o'clock, 9:15, and I have 3 lectures today. Usually my lectures are like I have lectures from 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. I don't know why, but my lectures are late. Yeah, I'm probably gonna skip like 2 lectures. I'm gonna miss one of those, which is like more boring. I hope none of my teachers watches. Right now I'm gonna go and have my breakfast. I'm gonna take you guys together with me. We'll have breakfast and then attend classes and then let's see how the day goes. I'm gonna take you guys together. Yo, I'm back. You see there's a lot of food over here. There's a lot of food guys over there and I am probably gonna eat something. I've decided that I'm gonna eat avocado toast today because I'm in a mood to eat it and I wanna eat it. I'm gonna toast it, of course. Is this angle good enough to like show me cooking? I am actually deciding to eat like like two breads. I'm going to eat 2 of them. I'm sorry for this reflection you see of the light. It's so awful, I know, but so guys, I kind of turned off the light. Eat toast bread and eat stuff. Some jam if in case I want to eat it. That's it. You know this thing, there's this weird thing that me and my brother, we both are twins. So we both like have birthdays in the same day, of course. And like the thing where weird actually is that both of us like get a shout out together. Like whenever like someone gives me a birthday shout out, it always has my brother beside me. It's like okay because I have been born with him, so I have to bear it. But I thought I would be getting like a bare shout out of myself, but I don't because most of the people we know, they know both of us. Why am I sitting like a boss? My coffee's done. My bread is burning. Guys, I am such a freaking mess. I was talking with you guys and I didn't realize my bread has already burned. You wanna see it from? Look at that burned as. My god, that's like over toasted. See my burnt ass bread. I'm probably gonna eat this and not this. Not gonna waste it. I'll eat that later because I just wanna enjoy the nice one right now. My god, it's freaking hot. I thought I wanted to make an aesthetic breakfast, but this is what it turned out to be. My bread got burnt. This got overheated. So I can't do the aesthetic breakfast thing. And why is this jam here? I don't want to eat it. I'm just making my breakfast right now. I don't want to talk too much because my battery is low. And I'm gonna see you guys once I am done making my breakfast because my mom wants to use the kitchen and I'm already taking a lot of time to just make a toast. So bye. This is pretty much how my avocado toast looks like. It was not big enough to fit like 2 pieces of tomatoes, so I make it look like this. It's okay, I'm gonna eat it still. Avocados. Amazing. The burnt flavor is, but still it's good. Breakfast. I'm gonna eat a lot of lunch today. A lot of lunch today, and also a lot of food. I've said it 1,000 times, but I'm gonna say it more. I'm gonna eat a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this burnt bread, and I'll see you later. Guys, it is lunch time and it's my favorite meal. It's probably everybody's favorite meal. This is my lunch. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give a close-up view. It's the tastiest Indian lunch I wanted always. Roti, paneer and shrikhand. Who doesn't love this? This piece over here, who doesn't love? You gotta taste this. This is good. This is a wholesome bite. Best lunch I could have asked for at home. Who doesn't love Indian food? Mama, probably take off, eat first because it's so tasty. I don't want to talk. That's it. Bye. I am done with my classes. I got my clothes from alteration. Everything is done. Now I'm gonna go outside for like a normal walk. This place near my house which has a cookie sandwich is my favorite and I always wanted to eat it. I'm gonna go and eat that. I wanna also eat like something else also. I'm gonna go and get ready and I'll see you. So guys, right now I am outside, like we're just going for a little bit of walk and like just normally roaming around, and this is kind of my outfit. I'll show you a better picture if I get one. Probably see you guys next whenever I eat the cookie sandwich, because I want to show you guys when I eat that. Bye! So damn hot outside, and as I said, I wanted to visit that store where they have my favorite, that cookie sandwich which I talked about, because I guess I talked about it, I don't know. I love it, I freaking love it, and I wanted to eat it since ages, but it had like closed. The shop was closed in between the other whole corona thing, but I think right now, I think maybe it's open, so I want to go there and I want to eat it because it's so cold. This is the tikka we did at the mandir we just visited. I didn't knew we are going to visit a mandir, or else I would have wear some decent clothes, but my dad was like, let's just visit, and we went. If I knew, I would have wear nice and decent clothes. So I'm sorry, I'm just gonna tie up my hair. Why do people keep staring when someone is vlogging, yaar? That's really like, that like just demotivates the people who's vlogging or just taking any videos or something. That's just like so, like as if you're doing some kind of crime. It feels like we're doing some kind of crime and you guys want us to stop that. It feels like that when someone is staring you. The way someone just stared me right now over there, and it was so awkward. I just have to be like silent for that 1-2 seconds. This feels heaven. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna take more pictures in the sun because I don't want it to go. I'm gonna take some pictures because my skin is kind of glowing. Bye. I'll see you when I eat next. This video should actually be like Vishwa eating all the calories she could eat probably, but it's not. It's my birthday vlog. Keep watching. I'll see you. What the freaking hell, you guys? Did you see? I'm sweating like hell. My dad is still not coming. He has the keys or whatever. I don't know. No, I'm sweating like hell. I wanna eat. I wanna get some sweet face. I'm hungry as hell. My dad is here. He got donuts for me. They had that cookie sandwich was closed, so I got a donut. My brother is annoyed because he's like, why the hell am I eating so much? But I want to eat it, so I'm gonna eat it. This is my favorite one. I don't have the filling inside, but this donut tastes heaven. She wants it. It's so good, guys. I swear it is. Oh yes, they do have the filling inside. Okay, so now we're gonna go and head home. We're gonna go home. We're gonna take a shower. We're gonna change it. Guys, my friends are here. Look at the prettiest decoration they did.
Look how pretty her best friend is.
Yes, she is. And these two Ruby there is also my best friend. And you can't hear me fuck. So guys, these people, they surprised me with no, I didn't know it, whatever.
Obviously, because it was a surprise for her.
I'm so happy that I can meet my friends.
Yeah.
Screenshot and send. Or I'll just upload this on the thumbnail. I'm so happy. Now we're gonna eat the cake probably.
We're gonna
also
sleep at our own home.
Yes, I had like literally planned a sleepover with all of them a year ago, but it's not possible because we are brown kids and I'm 18, but still I haven't had any sleepover yet, which is so annoying. Bye guys, I'm gonna enjoy my time with my friends. Bye. Guys, this is the best person in the world. She has been doing so much since ever my birthday, like the September started. She's planning so much. I love her. So cute. And she's really happy that I turned. And she's like telling me since morning, you look so pretty, so pretty. Love that. That's so awful. Guys, I'm with my friends and I'm having the best moment ever. They're so nice. I want to hug them. What's up, Lisa? I'm doing this for the thumbnail. Okay, so we are gonna dance right now a lot and we're gonna have a lot of fun and then we're gonna eat. So I'll see you guys when we eat because it's a whole vlog of eating. Vishwa eating. Bye guys. Look at the freaking cake, you guys. It's so cute. And here's the beautiful cake, which I'm showing again and again for no reason. I look nice. He's feeling shy, but she is not at all shy. But now, when I record, she becomes shy.
She's trying to act like she's a shy kid.
But she is very confident in real life, like us. Okay, bye. I'm gonna see the food. I'm gonna eat.
विश्वा
Yeah,
विश्वा
bye.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Food.
अच्छा
And the people eating it. Food. It is so damn good, and it's homemade, of course.
अभी वो बस खाना खाने के बाद बाय
We both are enjoying the food so much, like everyone, of course. But she was talking.
बेचारे का तो ले वो भी दिखा रहा है
Guys,
साथ में लेके घूमेंगे
guys, we had so much of fun, and my friends are now going.
Yeah, bye.
They're satisfied. Bye. And now they're leaving. I'm gonna go.
See
and
you
drop
at your
them.
next birthday.
That is so rude. Rude. Indirectly, she's saying, "Don't meet me." Guys, my friends have left, as you guys already saw, and I'm still in my same outfit. I have not changed, but I'm gonna be in this because I was like clicking some pictures and stuff. And now we have ordered a pizza, not a pizza, but a lot of pizza. You can't see that. A lot of pizza. Guys, I just saw, oh my god, my college friends, oh my god, they just sent me the best video ever. I can't share the whole video because it's actually too long. I'm just gonna upload like a small clip of it and I'll introduce you guys to my friends. They are so sweet. This is Mansi, this is Disha, this is Ishita, Khushi and Isha. And you guys see it's like 7.5 minute long video, which is the sweetest video I could have received today. I love you guys. If you guys are watching this, I'm gonna probably go and eat my pizza and show you guys because why not? Guys, this is my dinner. I'm gonna eat a pizza and a taco. You're gonna see me. Of course you are. Because the whole day you have, so why not? She is eating a Subway sandwich. She's like, why are you recording me while I'm eating? But I'm like, it's a YouTube thing. Taco. So yeah, I am literally very tired right now. I don't know why I'm bending my speaking. Let me just get the camera up. You guys see, that's my mom and dad when Mumbai Indians is like about to win. They are like just cheering up and like so excited to watch the game and stuff. So yeah guys, I am pretty much tired right now. You can see the tiredness in my face. My whole makeup is also like gone off. I want to take a shower, a big ass shower, calming aesthetic shower because I'm really tired. I'm really, after all the freaking food I ate, I have to edit this video, which is kind of a tough job because my first video. Oh wait, this is actually my first ever video. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you have made it till here, I love you. Thank you so much to everyone who has wished me and made my day so beautiful. This was one of the greatest birthday. I say this every year because every year my birthday goes better and the next year it becomes more nicer. Bye you guys. I love you guys. Thank you. And I'm just gonna end this by saying, stay happy you guys, keep smiling, spread positivity, support each other, and let people do what they love to do, and yeah, just the positive things everybody says. Bye you guys.